Beautiful people of the stock market world, this is day 104 of day trading the stock market open in a small account. We have LGVN just had news at 8:17. It popped up, but it's not showing anything overly impressive. We got a lot of backside stuff going on, which is not ideal either. NDRA is probably the best, but it's an $11 stock, which is too pricey for the small account. Interested to see how far this dips. BLSK. See what the halt level is. There's the bell. Opening cross is completed on it, but it's definitely not bullish. Maybe we do this one. This is a penny stock. ZVSA. $11. Cruising through this whole list and slim pickings when it comes to setups. Too expensive. SYTA gets smacked. Does that help? Almost talked it down, maybe. I don't know. Not taking it though. No volume pre-market. We'll have to let that one set itself up. ZEPP. Interesting, but look at these wicked candles. Zoom, zoom. 2 minutes, the thing dropped from 479 to 350. So that's not exactly ideal, all right? So, I don't know what we're going to do. I just don't know. Here's a lower band on a penny stock. Missed it. Perfect. Of course. Of course you did. So we wait. We just hang out. We'll wait for something to pop off. In a few minutes, I'll change my scans here. Actually, change the scans right now. HERZ, didn't see that one before. No volume pre-market. And that's it. That's all she wrote for now. What is HERZ anyways? That is an IPO yesterday. Or 2 days ago. Okay. Alright. Well, that could be interesting. For sure. Especially since there's nothing else really going on. See if it's moving. Spreads are even. It's not moving, but let's keep an eye out on it. I want to keep it on my watch list. Make him make the first move, Conway. Gross, man. Everything's just getting smacked. LASE popping up. Traded this a lot. Walking on a dream. That IPO now has a 9-cent spread. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble. 280 VWAP. BSLK trying to do some funny business over there. New minute and 20 seconds. Which one's going to be the one? Which one is going to be the one? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New minute. Ooh, it's got a 15-cent spread, LASE. No thanks. No thanks. Can't be doing that. Absolutely cannot be doing that. So we'll be back after these messages. CEPP. I would have gotten totally brutalized on this EMA bounce after the VWAP rejection. Good volume here though. Ugh, and that last candle. No, I don't want that right there. No, I don't want that right there either. Come on. BSLK looking to do some. Okay, come on down. Down, 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 down. 2-cent spread. We can live with that. Bolt Project Holdings. What is Bolt Project Holdings? Man, that's gross. I had to, maybe that was, ooh. $346, gotta crack that. There it goes, $346 on the bid. Ooh, back at 342. Ooh, 349, 350. 351 on the ask, 349 on the bid, popped right back up. Ooh, that bid is freaking me out there. 48 to 52, back to 48, back to 49, back to 53. I mean, ping-ponging over and under 50. It's got me a little uneasy, but it's moved to 60 now, so that's good. Maybe that's a good sign. Is LASE still got a 15? It's got a 6-cent spread now. Okay, so I think we gotta find something on this BSLK. It looks like front side until we zoom out, and we are so far under VWAP, it's not even funny. So what are we gonna do? LASE getting smoked. BSLK turning over also. OCC trying to get over VWAP. Here it goes. Is it gonna go? Is it gonna go? What's the spread looking like? It's looking awfully wicky. 2-cent spread. Nice volume. 4, 3, 2, 1. New. Oh, that was foul play, OCC. Absolute foul play. Did anybody else see that? The stock market is a dirty, Dirty game. There's 1 minute to make a new high there on BSLK. So can this stock even be trusted again after something like that? We got some room, but I mean, dang. Okay, here it goes. Let's see what happens. Did the sellers get scared away or that manipulation, or do they just kind of reload the clip and are they going to do it again? Look at this candle. Look at that recapture. $490 VWAP EMA. Wow, interesting stuff over here on OCC. I'm down with OCC, yeah, you know me. BSLK trying to make a 1 minute to make a new high. At least OCC's above VWAP. That's promising. More promising than BSLK. 4, 3, 2, 1, new minute. Try to go fishing, no love. This thing might come down anyways more. 200-day moving average bounce. Halt down's 449. Bear trap. Small size. This thing is wild. Just to kind of dip my feet in to see what's going on here. Green at 88, but there's 42 on the bid, or 82 on the bid and 84 on the ask. So interesting. 2, 1, new minute. 84 and 82, 88 on the ask. Lots of stuff coming in between the spreads here. There's 92. 92. BSLK just grinding up. There's 92, 91, 93, 95. Let's see if it pushes 5. There's 5. Get out at like 5. I don't know what my profit was, but green trade nonetheless. Hey, VWAP, BSLK. Nice to see ya, pal. Walking on a dream. Alright, so it was about a $15 trade. Nothing too crazy. Just shy of 15 bucks on that. Let's see what we can take on here. We're going to go look for the VWAP rejection and the EMA bounce on BSLK. BSLK. Gotta hammer this hotkey twice. Okay, didn't touch VWAP yet, so I'm not gonna mess with this EMA situation here. Walking on a dream. Halt down 297 for BSLK. Ugh. What are we going to do? Okay, BSLK, here you go. VWAP, VWAP, touch it, and reject. Or you could fly through and then reject. I don't care. Fly through and then reject, whatever. Not liking it though. 18 seconds until a new minute. There's EMA. ZEPP back to VWAP, flirting with it. Okay. We're gonna wait. Small buyers at 67 there for BSLK. Not gonna hold. The line was not held. $50's not gonna hold. Oh, 50's flirting. 50's trying to hold. The stock is crazy. What's it gonna do? Halt level is 299. There's a daily level at 296. Whoa, OCC. OCC flashes down like dangerously fast. That's terrifying. At least we haven't had any pauses in the level 2. Gotta knock on some wood. No lag yet today. Halt down, move down to 296 on BSLK. What's the move? What's the move? Could see if I was gonna say we get see if 350 is gonna hold. Looks like it has for BSLK now. After a little bit of a tug of war. $60, there's over 60. Ooh, back to 53. Yowzers. MACD's rolled over too, so confidence level for me on BSLK is slimming. ZEPP still just trying its hardest to get over VWAP. This thing just cannot. All right, make a push. Make a push there, BSLK. There's a 1 minute to make a new high. Now it looks like it's going to gain momentum and then it just dies out. OCC over here. 4-cent spread. Spread tighten there. Let's spread tighten there, OCC. Yikes, thing. And then should we try it again? Should we try it again? Wow, really? The spreads are just eating this thing up. That's low volume, so I don't want to get caught in a bear trap, or excuse me, a bull trap. We'll need much bigger volume to make me believe that that's for real. Halt down 439. Lower band 437. All right, BSLK is not looking too promising unless something changes here. We just had a 1 minute to make a new low on that last doji candle. Was this a reverse split or something? It's gotta be. Wow, ZPP. Don't do it to the people. Ooh. Bear trap? Probably a big spread. Let's watch this one instead. That OCC's just doing some not nice things on the spread. See if we can get over 217 here. Okay, maybe not. NAOV popping back up. Wow, candle came out of nowhere, huh? Two candles came out of nowhere. Interesting. BSLK, what are you gonna do here? You're gonna make a new low? You're gonna come crashing down? DJ Rockstar. Okay. WKHS, what are you gonna do? 2-cent spread. I like to take another trade. Nothing's really screaming my name at the moment, though. Maybe we hold this and see. 207. Under 207 could be a sell. There's 210. Sellers at 215. Technically, that's a 1 minute to make a new high, but nothing is happening unless I'm paused. Yep, slow. Okay. 14, 13. I'd have to hold at 7 cents if I wanted to try to ride it out. BSLK trying to make a push. Over 350 again. There's 64. There's 69. There's 70. Okay. WKHS, that's watching paint dry, so it might move, but don't want to try to predict it. Let's see if we can catch a rejection off of VWAP for BSLK. And then right when I say that, WKHS decides to try to be the funny guy over here. 4, 3, 2, 1, new minute. BSLK, there's 218 on the ask. There's 221 on the ask. So the hypothesis was correct. The hypothesis was absolutely correct for WKHS, so that's good. Golf claps for that one. But is it going to go back and test the, oh, baby, here we go. WKHS to go. You got a little bit of a gap here. 3, 2, 1 new minute. Not great volume profile on that on that minute, but we'll see if they get bigger and bigger here. Okay, VWAP test, BSLK, or at least almost a VWAP test, got close. WKHS, what are your dailies looking like before we get too nutty here? You're flirting with the moving average. You're flirting with the 100. And of course, we got problems near 3. Small buyers at 23 for WKHS. Okay, BSLK. VWAP test, finally. Go through. There you go. Very nice. Go. Keep going. Keep going and then pull back. Yep. Nice volume there. Biggest volume of the open so far. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I missed it. Didn't expect that. That looked like some dirty play too. Stock market's a brutal place. Missed it again. Brutal place. Looks like everything's good, and then bam. Oh, man. WKHS, maybe we should focus on you instead. Did nothing pre-market, which is interesting. MACD trying to, looks like it wants to go based on the volume, so let's see if it continues. What is this at? 232. OCC is no bueno. 213 is VWAP for WKHS. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, new minute. BSLK trying again. Shorts are getting pressure here, pressure on the shorts. They're trying to hold it down, trying to hold me down. There's WKHS as well. Plenty of time left on this candle, so anything can happen really. Trying to hold 4 for BSLK. There's 410. Back to 4. Flirting with a daily level. No VWAP bounce for me. Hindsight would have been totally great. It's okay. Here we go. Here we go. Nope. Trying to keep my eyes on WKHS at the same time. EMA trying to play catch up here for BSLK. Here we go. Is it going to push? 1 minute to make a new high. There's 19. There's 20. There's 20. 23. 24. 24. 27. 28. 33. Nice. Buyers at 35. Back under 35. Halt up. 70. Holy monkey. Let's go. Gotta get on the train here. Gotta find an entry. New minute. Gotta find an entry. Here comes WKHS as well. Micro pullback. Micro pullback. Micro pullback. WKHS as well. What's going on here? What's going on in these waters? What's going on in these stock market waters? Topping tail for WKHS for now. 30 seconds till new minute. $20 seconds till new minute. 15. 10. 9. 8. What's going to happen, WKHS? 5. Looks like it's fighting for its life over there. 3, 2, 1. New minute for the stocks. Oh, I got paused again. Did you guys see that? My data paused again. Okay, it's laggy. Laggy all of a sudden. Not great. Oh, okay. If I just missed that bounce because of a lag, I'm going to be not a happy camper. But somebody's going to have to let me know if that's true or not. I guess there's no real way for me to find out. 250 WKHS. $255. Gotta be careful with the lags. $50, flirting with 50, $450 for BSLK. I think we try to ride this upward train here for WKHS. It hasn't ran into any major problems yet. Maybe we could get a bear trap out of this though. BSLK. Zoom in a little bit. 270, halt ups 287 for WKHS. It's a previous runner if I remember correctly. Come on, down. Down near 250. Down near 250. 50 Tyson, 50 Tyson. Pressure on VWAP, BSLK. All right, well, I'm gonna have to, these things are moving so fast, I'm gonna have to keep figuring out how many shares I can take on each one. All right, under VWAP. Let's focus on the upward momentum. Look at that volume profile, beautiful. WKHS. Here's an attempted bear trap. I gotta find an entry here for WKHS. Attempted bear trap. And the 1 minute to make a new high is gonna be at 420. WKHS. Let's try to find you though. I was trying to catch you riding dirty. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm late on the count, but in a minute. VWAP 242. Uh-oh, not good. Not good, not good, not good. Need it to bear trap. Need it to bear trap. Alright, not bear trapping enough. Where do we get out at? Got out. Almost 2 cents. Weak. Alright, so about $25 profit on the day. Could have been way better. But, you know, as I say it again, I've said it a million times. If you only have 1 or 2 trades, it's going to be hard to take these 1 minute to make a new highs, especially as it's booming up, because you just don't know when it's going to end. So, whatever. I'm happy with it. Went 2 for 2, two different green trades for about $25. I'm out of here. Spread love, be good to each other. Drop a comment, drop a like, let me know how y'all did. Peace.